back for another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today is such a rainy day. It is pouring outside, thunderstorms, and it is only about 12:42 right now, and it looks like it's already nighttime. So we have a bunch of cleaning on this day. We're gonna be cleaning, we're gonna be doing a yummy Instant Pot meal, and we're gonna be just making the best out of this rainy day. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Follow along in this nice rainy day, and we get a lot of things done. So here we go, we're gonna get started, and let's just get into it.
So I don't know about you guys, but this rain gets me in such a great mood. I just love hearing it, and even, I know it sounds weird, but the smell, it's just awesome. Like, I love the smell of rain, nice breeze that hits you when it's raining. It's super relaxing, so I definitely enjoy it, especially on a day I am going in and cleaning up. So let us just take a moment to enjoy this lovely rain, this atmosphere, and then we'll jump right into our cleaning motivation. All right, guys, so I am just prepping the Instant Instant Pot, and I'm just putting all the ingredients in, chicken broth and also some Goya salsa. I'm just going to be getting the rest of the ingredients in, and also putting a pot of white rice. Right now I just have it simmering, and I'm going in and just taking some clothes I washed and sticking it into the dryer. Then we are going to continue putting the rice in the pot and letting it cook. Then we can jump right into some cleaning. Right now, I am fixing up the bed, just giving it a quick reset.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, you left fast life.
Now I'm just going around and vacuuming the rug, and then we are going to move into the next cleaning motivation.
You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe now you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, I wonder.
So now I'm just opening my closet, and I'm going to fix my shoes really quick. Now my closet is a hot mess, guys, but one of these videos I'm going to have to get in here and fix all the clothes. But for right now, I'm just organizing my shoes and putting them back into this shoe organizer.
This life, no guarantees and stars around. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me.
Now I left these pillows here because I was washing the covers, and the covers are now clean, so I'm just putting them back on.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
It's just so relaxing, and I feel like it just gives you that calm feeling and just that calm mood, which sometimes we definitely need when like our days are so hectic and just so on the go. So I'm really liking this weather today, and I feel like we've had a couple weeks where it was just sunshine, which is awesome, but sometimes, yeah, I do need a little rain in my life and just a little calmness to go with it.
Now we are looking at some awesome chicken stew with some white rice. It is finally finished, and now I am going to enjoy it, and then we will move on to the next cleaning motivation.
But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever.
Alright guys, so that was yummy, but now we have to continue with the cleaning. So right now I'm gonna be cleaning up the carpet. As always, there's a bunch of stains and the rug is completely dirty. So we are gonna go in and give it a nice cleanup.
Better, make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever or is
Alright, there it goes, just sucking up all that dirt, and it's just a awesome feeling, guys, when this is all finished.
then that's where she'll go.
Now that that is done, we are moving into the kitchen. I'm just cleaning up and just putting a bunch of stuff away. Also, let me know if you've used this Instant Pot and if you like it. I love this thing. The only thing, it's super huge, and for a kitchen my size, it just takes up the whole counter. But other than that, it works really well, and I do like using it. Other than it being super massive, it's been pretty good to me.
Make her feel better, and that's where she'll go. 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 Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here.
Now we move right to the counters and then the dishes.
Love interrupted by tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall. Running in search of the remedy. Trying to find her place in it all. Focused only on the negative. All she can attract is pain. Perception is what will manifest. Thought she could escape, but it's all the same. Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides, and I know she'd rather keep her.
Now I'm just moving to the floors, getting the floors nice and clean with my steam mop. So I was trying to get him off, but he wouldn't get off, and it was too funny. He was laughing about it though. He is just a handful, that little Nico.
Palm trees sanctify you. I bet the the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand. Just when you think you're in control, but you're not alone. Take my hand, no shame in the surrender to a bigger picture. Birds fly south for the winter, but you ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know you don't wanna burn bridges, but as time moves on, you slipping away from me. But did the ocean breeze pacify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself.
Alright guys, and we are going to conclude here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Have a fabulous day.